Meet the Mi-26, the giant of the skies. This is the biggest, heaviest lifting helicopter ever to enter mass production. And today, we're taking a quick look at why it still has no equal. The Mi-26 was built by the Soviet Union and first flew in 1977. Its mission: lift anything the military needed: tanks, vehicles, troops, even crashed aircraft. With a massive 8-blade rotor, the helicopter stands over 26 meters long and can carry 20 tons of cargo. That's the weight of a fully loaded bus. The Mi-26 is powered by two enormous D136 turboshaft engines, each pushing out around 11,000 horsepower. With that power, the helicopter can fly at 295 km/h and cover distances over 800 kilometers, depending on its payload. This helicopter has become legendary for its lifting ability. Some of its most famous missions include transporting a 32-ton block of concrete for reactor construction, lifting crashed aircraft like the Sikorsky CH-53, and even other Mi-26 helicopters, delivering heavy military equipment deep into remote conflict zones. It's not just a war machine. The Mi-26 is also a lifesaver during disasters. It's been used to fight wildfires, airlift stranded civilians, and deliver humanitarian aid to areas where normal aircraft can't land. Nearly 50 years later, the Mi-26 is still unmatched. No other helicopter in the world has beaten its lifting power, not even modern Western designs. If you love military tech, aviation, and giant machines, don't forget to like and subscribe.